You know what we're talking about right now.
Okay.
What exactly are those teachings that you will never forget about your father?
There are too many. And I would say I have to think, because when you have so many things you are following. I think the first and the most fundamental thing is tell the truth always. Tell the truth always. And of course, after that, with your truth, contentment is the next. After that, every other thing will be added. I think those were the principles: truth and contentment.
Yesterday, we saw a huge cow.
Yeah.
25 years. Icon.
Because he kept to his principles of truth and contentment.
Now, concerning the museum,
Yeah.
what other things should we expect from the Ogunde family with respect to their father?
You see, like we said when we celebrated 20 years, that was 5 years ago, we did say we want to take things one after the other. 5 years ago, which was the 20th anniversary, we packaged all the CDs. And now you can get them. Just for 2005, you get the 13 CDs. The next thing we said is, we have known that when any icon, forget all the rich men, they are never remembered. But even the icons, when they go, like somebody once told me, the black man has no history. And I said, are you crazy? And he said, no, I'm not. If you have history, show me. Just show me. And I couldn't talk, because I remember so many things that I used to see as a child, which are no more. So when we realized that, okay, the only thing that can keep this man's name forever here is to build a museum. Now we put all that together. Maybe the other two phases we may be going into May, because we don't know which one will come forward. One, to preserve the films. We're trying to put all of them together again, package them. But once you put them in DVD or you show them on telly, that's it. It's for everybody. So we still have to make those decisions. Then maybe we will start gradually to rebuild the film village. But that is a very gradual process, because that is capital intensive. The last time we checked, the price was 300 million. The last time we checked. And I'm talking about 4 or 5 years ago when we checked. So now, if you want to build something that is proper, useful, lasting, not just an elephant thing, then you've got to do it right. And that's what we're trying to do. Okay? Thank you, ma'am.